Hi everyone, Jennifer here. It's just a really quick unboxing video. You see how everybody is talking about the lug boots from Bottega Veneta, and I've been eyeing these boots for so long, for almost a year. At first I was like, ugh, who would wear that? You're so ugly. But then every single day they keep on they're hunting me. They just like, love me, please love me. So I actually went ahead and bought actually two pairs, not just one, but two pairs of those lug boots. This one I got from Net-a-Porter, and the next one I got from Bottega Collection. It's coming from Paris, so it's gonna take some time, but okay, I'm back. The doorbell rang, so I had to go get it. But they give you two dust bags for Bottega Veneta. I love the color green on this. Actually, I was thinking of, like, when I get my nails done, that's probably the color I'm gonna do my nails, because I've been kind of into the green color. And that is why, guess what? Oh my God. Yo, these things are huge. Yo, these are some big ass boots. Okay, these are the boots, okay? Those are the ones I purchased. So don't worry about my toes, okay? But oh my gosh, look at those boots! Look at those boots! Look at those boots! Look at those boots! Do you see this? Do you see? It's green. I love this color. Look at these boots. They're the tired bottom boots, I guess. Okay, they don't look boots from Bottega Veneta. And yeah, oh my gosh, but they look humongous. They look like a boat. I hope they look really good on the feet, because bro, I can't be having no boat. I cannot have any boats on my feet. That's messed up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and see how I feel, because they look like boats, and I bought two of these. Okay, these are a little difficult to get on. Ow! God damn! Okay, it went in. It went in. I did it. I did it. Okay, the other pair, this one is a 40.5. So the other pair is 11. It's a size 11. Hopefully it's easier to put on, but this was a struggle. And this is how they look. They're huge, but they look so good and comfortable. They look like they go with everything. Honestly, I love these. Love them. You know, it wouldn't be me if I didn't dance. If I didn't dance while trying shoes on. It wouldn't be me. But oh my gosh. I can definitely style these with anything. I can't wait. Worth the money. But they are extremely difficult to put on. So just so you know, I would not size up. Well, I would. If you wear a size 9, I'd say get it like half a size up, because they're definitely gonna be entertaining, especially not particularly up front, but like at the top right here, it's tight for me. And I wear a size 10 in boots, and possibly a size 11 in boots. It depends on the Italian. But I can definitely feel some type of pressure right here. Right here, there's pressure, but up here, it's totally fine. It fits perfectly, but these are the boots. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.